What's going on, aquatic family? My name is Ryan from the Aquascape Gods on Instagram. Today I'm doing a video on how I'm going to start planting this tank. It's been a while since I set up the tank and I've been having issues getting plants. Every time I order them they come dead or they just don't even ship at all. So I'm gonna get a little creative and I'm gonna use plants from my jar that I love so much. I've had it growing for over a year, and since it's been growing for over a year in a low-tech little jar with no filter or anything, it got really dense throughout the entire year. So I'll have a lot of plant to play with, and first thing is I'm going to take the water out. I'm gonna take all of the plants out and separate them, and then I'm just gonna start planting. I'm not gonna plant the entire tank today because I just don't have what I need to do that. So hopefully in the very near future I'll be able to do that, which is probably gonna be done within a week or so. But for now I'm gonna get this tank all carpeted up and hopefully set the tone for what I'm looking to make this tank look like. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment and let us know what you want to see next. Okay everybody, so that's all the plant I have for today's video. We did get to fill most of the tank with plants, but the back will have Rotalas and it will get a lot fuller as time goes on and when I get some good plants for that. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We make videos every single week.